All right, guys, let's do another Series 3 autograph full-size helmet from Gold Rush. So you've got one autograph full-size helmet. You've got Tom Brady. That by the time this series is done, we have got to hit a Tom Brady. You got Trevor Lawrence, Aaron Rodgers, Russell Wilson. So many big names in these boxes. So here is your list of teams. Andrew M. with the Chiefs. April H. with the Rams and Dolphins. Brad M. with the Texans. Christopher F. with the Jets, Steelers, Seahawks, and Redskins. Daniel F. with the Patriots. Eric M. with the Saints. Garrett's got the Eagles. George with the Broncos. Jason B. with the Bills. Jeffrey's got the Ravens. Mike W. with the Cardinals, Falcons, Browns, Jags, Raiders, and Chargers. Nicholas S. with the Cowboys, Lions, Colts, Vikings, and Titans. Rick, you've got the Bengals, Packers, 49ers, and Bucks. Thomas with the Panthers and the Giants. And then Travis with the Chicago Bears. All right, let's go. Let's pull a big name out of here. So show you it's taped and sealed up, top and bottom. It's Brady time. Rick, we got to pull you a Brady, man. All right, speed replica. I always like that. All right, guys, good luck. It's going to be a Titan. Who's got the Titans? Nicholas S. Oh, nice. So I thought we had just pulled him earlier in the jersey break. Instead, pulled a Ryan Tannehill Titans helmet. So that one is Beckett authenticated. That's a really nice one there. Really cool hit. So Nick, congratulations, man. I've got a sister actually who lives in Nashville, so if you're interested in trading that, let me know. So we'll get that in the mail to you if not. And appreciate you guys joining us. We'll bust into a fresh case of this coming up next week. It's our last case, so last chance to pull some of these big names.